Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can jump start the car. So, and what steps do you have to take to be able to do that for VW Touareg, the first generation, from 2003 until 2010 produced. So firstly, you have to find where you can connect the cables. So over here, this is the negative. On the right over here, this over here is a negative. From here you connect the black cable, the negative cable, to this screw over here, and this one is the positive. Take this cap off, and over here you attach the red cable, and from here or to here you can jump start this VW Touareg. It's pretty easy, just takes you a couple of minutes to do everything. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.